If you want to detect breathing interruptions during the sleep on the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, by using Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. So first of all, on the Huawei Health application, you will have to go for the health on the left bottom corner. And from all of those settings, you will have to go into the sleep and then go for this option called sleep breathing awareness. Now just wait for the next screen. You will have to basically accept everything one by one and click to allow. Now just wait a while for this Huawei ID verification. It will take around a few seconds. And here tap to sleep breathing awareness and agree to everything. There is short information what it is and some examples how it actually works, and you have to click to activate. Now this feature is turned on, so we have to wear our supported wearable to sleep to get results and suggestions. So while going to sleep, you will have to put it on your wrist, and then after you wake up, you should get here in this application some kind of the information. Also be sure that you turn it on by clicking here, and yep, that will be all. Just a quick information for you. Thanks for watching.